Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Kia Sorento X-Line SX Prestige. This vehicle has a 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, which are very strong numbers for a 3-row SUV, family SUV. That's really good. And you have a really nice interior. You have the new Kia logo, this really big screen, which is really cool. Kia has really upped their game in recent years, obviously, but yeah, these 2025 Kias have really nice interiors. You have nice open port wood trim, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I like the new shifter. It has like this square shape to it. It feels good when you put your hand around it. You can use it to like rest your hand while driving and stuff too. 360 camera with the 3D view, which is really cool. Like a lot of great tech in this car. Sport, normal, eco modes, and smart modes. And then I'm going to put it in sport. Heated steering wheel, ventilated and heated seats, which you can turn on using the little toggle switch over there. You do have the turn signal cameras. You have captain's chairs in the center, and the X-Line gives you these cool seats with that cool stitching. But yeah, and you have a big panoramic sunroof. Very impressive amount of features in this car. You have a Bose sound system as well. White exterior, and these are the wheels you get on the X-Line. It has really cool amber DRLs, which aren't on right now because the car's not moving. I like the black Kia badge with the X-Line and the black grille. Looks pretty sporty for sure. You also have black mirror caps. And you also have heated rear seats. I didn't know that. That's pretty sick. Really comfortable back here. A lot of room. Pretty cool. You can also charge your devices using that little wall charging port. Taillights have been revised for the facelift. X-Line badge on the back. And the third row down, you have some decent space. You also have a cargo cover. Yeah, so if you don't, the Telluride's a bit bigger than this, but if you don't want a Telluride, the Sorento has a 3-row SUV. I mean, it has 3 rows as well. So Kia has 2 3-row SUV options, excluding the EV9. Let's get this Sorento out on the road. You also have nice metal shift paddles. Yeah, very impressive materials. You even have suede headliner. It's pretty insane how much equipment and refinement this car has for the price, which is like in the $40,000 range. This one's a pre-owned one, of course, but like I'm pretty sure the new ones are around that as well. Like the Telluride X-Line SX Prestige is like 55,000, or like 52 or 53,000. So this should be somewhere around that as well, a little bit less. There's a good reason as to why Kia has been very successful in recent years, because they are offering really stylish and highly equipped vehicles for price points way below the Japanese and German rivals. And even though Kia is not a luxury brand by any means, their cars have very luxurious features and feeling to them. I'm trying to turn off that auto, no, not auto hold, the auto start stop. But yeah, as I said, the 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque is a pretty strong number for a car like this. That compared to like a Honda Pilot or something, this thing destroys that in terms of tech. Even like compare this to like many Japanese rivals in the price point, and this car blows them away in terms of technology. Like this, the screen really reminds me of BMW's iDrive 8. It's very similar, like the layout of it. But like you don't really get many cars without spending so much money with this kind of screen. And I like the leather. It feels really good. It's really soft. Nice gloss black on the steering wheel. Cool touch points. Even the dash is not like, the dash is like a little bit harder material, but it still has stitched leather, which is cool. Pickup is pretty good. Love that turn signal camera. You also have fog lights. Adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. I'm gonna put it in the normal mode now. And the X-Line SX Prestige comes with all-wheel drive. Now, this has more torque than the Telluride because it's a turbocharged 4-cylinder, whereas the Telluride has a naturally aspirated V6. So different engines with different driving characteristics and such. So here's the camera. If you're pulling into a spot and you want to see what's in front of you, it's pretty cool. Pretty good resolution too, actually. That's nice. You have 2 heated steering wheel settings. Pretty good center console storage. You also have built-in navigation. But overall, this is a very nice Kia Sorento right here. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for brand new, certified pre-owned, or pre-owned Kia vehicles.